In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple LinkedIn accounts inside LeadCarnival so you can manage outreach at scale. At the top left corner of your dashboard, you'll see your connected LinkedIn account. Right next to it, there's a plus icon. Click on the plus icon to add a new LinkedIn account. You'll now see a form to connect a LinkedIn profile. Fill in the following details: account name, LinkedIn email. Use the email you normally use to log into LinkedIn. LinkedIn password. Enter the exact password of your LinkedIn account. Company name. Select an existing company or create a new one if it's your first time. Country. Select your country so LeadCarnival can assign a premium IP address closest to your usual login location. Important. Make sure the LinkedIn email and password are 100% correct. If they don't match your LinkedIn account, the connection will fail. Once everything is filled, check the box to agree to LeadCarnival's terms and conditions. Then click Connect to LinkedIn. LinkedIn will now send a 6-digit security verification code either to your email inbox or to your Authenticator app if two-factor authentication is enabled. Copy the code, paste it inside LeadCarnival, and click Submit. Your LinkedIn account is now successfully connected and ready to run campaigns. You can repeat this same process to add multiple LinkedIn accounts for your team or clients. That's how easy it is to connect multiple LinkedIn profiles in LeadCarnival.